Good morning, children. Today we'll discuss class 8 linear equations in one way. So first of all, what is meant by linear equation? Okay, you know about algebraic expression. 2x is a term. Some 3x squared plus 5. It's a single term. We can call it as monomial. It is binomial. What is this? 3x squared plus 5. The same binomial we can write like 2x plus 3, or we can write 3x cubed plus 7y, or we can write 5y cubed plus 7z, or we can write a plus b. Like many ways we can write. That the thing is, binomial means two terms. Not only plus, you can use minus also. 5y cubed minus 7z, 2x minus 3, like that. Either plus or minus. Whereas monomial, some 3xy, it's a monomial because in between x and y, multiplication is going on. 3 into x into y, it's a single term. Whereas here 2x minus 3, or else we can write one more like 3x plus y. Here in between x and y, here plus symbol is there, here into symbol is there. Okay, so it is binomial. Whereas trinomial, okay, trinomial, that means a plus b plus c, or else we can write x plus 2y minus z, or else we can write 2x squared minus 3y plus 6z, or else we can write anything we can write like this. Many examples we can give. Okay, these are all algebraic expressions. In these algebraic expressions, the power or degree is 1. Then it is called a linear expression. Degree is 1. That means here power is 1. Here power is 3. Here power is 2. Okay. Here nothing means 1. Okay. So here degree is 1. It is called linear polynomial. If degree is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. If degree is 3, then it is called a cubic polynomial. If degree is 4, biquadratic polynomial. If degree is 5, fifth order polynomial. Degree is 6, sixth order polynomial. Degree is 7, seventh order polynomial. Only first four have different names. If degree is 1, linear polynomial. So, now our heading is linear. Okay, linear means degree is 1. Here, among these examples, what is linear? Yes, this is linear 1. Here it is not linear, this is cubic, it is quadratic. This is linear 2, this is linear, this is linear, and this is also linear, this is also linear. If power is 1, then this is called linear. Okay? If degree is 1, then it is called linear. Next, now come to the heading. Linear equations. Okay? Equation. We have two symbols are there. One is equality and other one is inequality. Equality denoted by the symbol is equal to. This symbol is known as is equal to, or else not equal to. Inequality means they are not equal. Not equal means either it should be less or it should be more. Yes, then it is less than or is greater than. is less than or is greater than. Suppose 5 and 5. What is the symbol you will place here? Equal. 10 and 10. What is the symbol you will place? Equal. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 we will say. Or else 3 plus 7 is equal to 6 plus 4. Either 2 plus 3 value is 5. Here 3 plus 7 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. Here in LHS two quantities are there. In RHS two quantities are there. Are they equal quantities? No. But their sum is equal. 3 is not equal to 6 or 3 is not equal to 4. 7 is not equal to 4 or 7 is not equal to 6. But whereas if you add 3 and 7, if you add 6 and 4, you will get equal quantity. Okay? Here 3 is less than 4, but 7 is more than 6. Okay? They are not equal, but their product is, that is sum is equal. Okay? Is less than. Suppose 3 is less than 5. Is greater than. Suppose 3 is greater than 1. Like that we can write. So this is called equality and inequality. Now our chapter came linear equation. This is equation. That means we need is equal to symbol. Linear equation. Right? After linear equation, what is that? In one variable. What are variables? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Or 0, or -1, -2, so on. Or 1 by 2, 3 by 4, comma, √2, comma, so on. These are all called constants. Okay, A, B, C, so on, X, so on, something. They are called variables. Not only A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, theta, okay, psi, pi, these are all Greek alphabets. These are also variables. So, linear equation in one variable. Linear, degree should be 1. Equation is equal to symbol should be there in one variable. One variable only should present. Out of these many, one variable only should present. Okay? Now pause the video and write assume what can be the answer. Okay? Suppose A variable 1, power is 1. Okay? Degree is 1. Linear plus 3 is equal to 5. Is equal to equation. Degree is 1, linear. Linear equation in one variable. Suppose x minus 7 is equal to 3. Okay? Or else x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 5. Here degree is 1. Here also degree is 1. Okay? 2 is the quotient. Degree is present in power place. So x power 1, 2x power 1. Linear equation. How many variables are present? Only one variable is present. So these are all the examples for linear equation in one variable. Okay? Suppose 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Degree is 1. Equal to symbol is there. Yes, it's a linear equation in two variables. Because x and y are variables, 2, 3, 7 are constants. So it's a linear equation in two variables. Suppose 2a minus 3x plus 4q is equal to 5. All powers are one only. Linear equation, but in three variables. 2x square plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, it's an equation, one variable, but power is how much? 2. Is it linear? No. So what? Quadratic. So it's a quadratic equation in one variable. Okay, now I think so you understand the concept of linear equation in one variable. Okay, now we will solve the value of x in linear equation in one variable. Okay, a positive quantity transfer to the is equal to other hand side. Transfer. Okay. Positive quantity is transferred to the other side, then it will become negative. If negative quantity is transferred to the other hand side, it will become positive. Next, if multiplication in between, then positive transfer to the other side. Division is transferred to the other hand side, then it is multiplication. Okay, so positive quantity transfer, it will become negative. If negative quantity transfer, positive. If multiplication transfer, division. If division transfer, multiplication. That is the rule. Now, we'll solve. Different equations are given on the board. Okay, possible, all the fundamental operations are given. Okay, possible. Now, we'll solve this. Before going to solve, what should we keep in mind? What is the rule? If positive quantity transfer from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. If positive transfer, negative. If negative transfer, it will become positive. If multiplication transfer, then it will become division. If division transfer, it is multiplication. Keep that one in mind. Now we are ready to solve. Come on. Now, what is unknown here? Solve. The unknown is x. What is the value of x? Okay, that means 2x. I want x value. I don't want other values. Transfer to the other hand side is equal to 7 minus 3 transfer plus 3. So 2x is equal to 10. Now I want x only. Here 2 into x, multiplication, transfer, good, division, 10 by 2, 5. So x value is 5. Okay. Now come to the next question. Plus 7, I want x only. Plus 7, I should transfer. And do not transfer first to 5x, because this is one term. This is another term. It's a binomial. In that binomial, I want the value of x. So this term you should leave it. First this term you should set. So 5x is equal to plus 7 transfer minus 7. 5x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 5. Okay. Now here, it's a monomial. There is no other value to set the other hand side. Only 4x. It's a monomial. Into 4 divided to that side by 4. So x is equal to 12 by 4. That is 3. Okay. Here multiplication transfer. Then it is division. Now come here. X by 5. What is meant by this? X divided by 5 is given the value 3. Okay. That means now here division sent to the other hand side. Multiplication. So 3 into 5, x value is 50. Now here, plus 3 by 7 this is. It's a binomial. X value, 3 by 7 value. I want x value. I don't want this. And send it to the other hand side. It is positive. That I send to the other hand side. Good. Negative. So x value is 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Denominators are same. Directly I can subtract 14 by 7, 2. So x value is 2. X value is 2. Solve. So I got the value of x. Okay. What is the value of x? What it indicates? Did you understand my question? Okay. Now I am telling you. See here. What is x value here? 5. I am substituting here 2, x value is 5, minus 3. 2 5s are 10, minus 3 is 7. That means this x value, if you substitute in this, you should get the RHS. Other than 5, imagine any other value. I am taking 10. 2 10s are 20 minus 3. Is it 7? I will take 6. 2 6 are 12 minus 3. Is it 7? No. That means only one value will satisfy this equation to make 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. That value is 5. So number of solutions of a linear equation is 1 because degree is 1. Degree is 1. If degree is 1, then it has only one solution. Okay? That means 2x minus 3 value will be 7 at x is equal to 5. Did you understand? Now, suppose the same 2x minus 3 is equal to 15. Is the x value will be 5? We'll see. X is equal to 15 plus 3. 2x is equal to 18. X is equal to 9. So, always x won't be 5 or x won't be 9. Okay, x is unknown. It differs from sum to sum. Okay, here LHS is same. Of course, here also LHS is same. 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. Here 2x minus 3 value is becoming 7 when x is equal to 5. Here 2x minus 3 value is equal to 15 when x is equal to 9. We'll check. Okay, we'll check. Checking 2x minus 3 when x is equal to 9. Then 2 into 9 minus 3, 18 minus 3 is 15. Okay, that means linear equation has only one value. It has only one value. That value will make the equation true. Will make the equation true. Understand? This is called solving of linear equation with the fundamental operations.